Welcome to Digital Changemakers podcast.
Sanmitra, is it for real? Even after paying lakhs and every month after month paying 25-30,000 to my virtual assistant team, I was not able to achieve these results. It's the number of people who are being impacted the day I got digitally transformed.
Sunita, welcome to Digital Changemakers podcast, and I'm really glad and happy to have you here. It is really a privilege to have you here in the podcast. How are you feeling?
Me, Sanmitra, is it for real? First of all, we are sitting here. I saw you when you were like a change maker, bringing so many change makers up here, and I knew that you're gonna do excellently well. But this day, I could not even fathom in my faintest of dreams, Sanmitra. Thanks for bringing us all here. I'm so overwhelmed.
And congratulations for being a DCA award winner. Achieving 10 lakhs milestone is not a joke, but you did it. And how are you feeling? The day you got the confirmation that yes, you are a DCA award winner, how's that feeling for you?
Honestly feeling, DCA award, of course, awards are special. But more than the numbers, it's the number of people who are being impacted the day I got digitally transformed by DCA under your beautiful guidance. And I will share later how one of the very big blocks got just total devastated and something brilliant came up. And that's gonna give you also immense happiness because this is your mission.
Wow.
That got me here. Thank you so much.
That's really awesome. And I'm very glad, but also very curious to know what is that block for an aura reader, a face reader, and a mentor to many people. So what's that block which got removed?
I feel so very happy, just disclose it. And because it is removed beyond any doubt, the fear of technology that I had all this while. I had a laptop which I was just using for emails. This was the first time I learned Google Documents. I had this huge, copy, stationery I'm fond of writing, and my patient's report, my people's report. But this was the first time I did not go and buy stationery. More above than that, organization. It gave me that freedom. I was all the while depending on my virtual team. I never ever could conjecture that there would be a day I would be handling all my data by myself. The data management in one of the missions you taught us, I just can't be thankful enough, Sanmitra. And it's not only helping me, it's helping me, my entire students, patients, and business communities. We are all so very grateful. And now I know one single technique, knowledge is a failure without implementation. I had it, the power of the laptop was there, so many tools were there, but it's you, the true guru. It says the guru removes darkness. You really remove that, dust on the psyche where I felt that I cannot do it. And it was because of some very bad incident happened. But now I say it was happening in divine alignment. The day I met you, the kind of code of honors you have set for all of us, I am in full sync with you, Sanmitra. And it's the divine affirmation that has brought me here. I bless you with the depth of my heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And Sunita, nothing happens because of the guru. It actually happens because the student is ready. And thank you so much for being that student, for being that mentee. Whatever I've learned from my mentors, I'm just transferring that to all of you. But yes, I also want to know that what was that incident that really devastated you and that brought you into a situation where you really had to go digital? You were any which was doing your Healing Hearts retreat offline very well. But what really what pushed you to take it to the online forum, to a digital forum?
So it was Corona, we everyone know. The people who were very skeptical about going online had to go online. So it's the necessity is mother of invention. But for me and for people like us, it came as blessing in disguise. So I was healing my patients and a lot of relationship issues crop up where I need to counsel them. And there were times I was using same principles on emotional intelligence and on relationships and on how to manage finance and love. And I used to feel every hour I'm repeating same. So I was just looking for a recorder. And I didn't know about anything about, digital world. So when I typed Google, I typed recorder. So what came up was digital coach. So I said, she is a coach for speakers, trainers. It's not about you. There was some other coach I had utilized. And straight away, you cannot imagine how much I spent. The webinar, 500 rupees. Then there was this 24,500 silver. Then there was 1.5 lakh, and then upgradation. Fine, it was okay. One thing she did for me was that social media is just not for fancy pictures. It's meant for business too. That I'm really thankful for her. But the block I had was because I was not supported by her or team. It's not just that you do a theory class and you tell this is how the technique is done. You need hand holding. You need that confidence. It's like a maths question which a child cannot do at times, which formula to use where. So this was told by your team and you. And because I could not do with that team, the team used to tell me, madam, आप ना अपने घर में किसी आपकी बेटी है या बेटा है, आप उन लोगों को खोजो, वो आपको. And even after paying in lakhs, Facebook का अकाउंट मेरी बेटी ने खोला. Okay? And then अब मुझे डर लगता था कि मैं उनसे कैसे पूछूं. So I couldn't ask. बट उनका इतना कहना कि मैम ये ना आप अपने किसी घर में बच्चा है जो उससे पूछो, तो दैट ट्रांसपायर्ड इनटू माय साइक एज अ मैसेज दैट वी आर ओल्ड स्कूल एंड वी शुड नॉट ट्राई ऑल दैट. द ब्लॉक आई डिड नॉट हैव वाज आई बॉट दैट ब्लॉक unconsciously in more than 5 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
And that's why when I saw your webinar, in spite of totally aligning with you and being super active in your webinar, feeling so good about like this is the lady who's right from the simple setup of a home, but she is there to tell the whole world, this is where I am, this is what I can do, and this is here I am to help you. I just could not buy because, and you remember when you called up Sunita, you were so super active. I'm so very thankful to you. You're so super active, but you didn't buy.
Yes.
So I told her, Sanmitra, I want to just outsource. These are not for me.
Yes, I remember.
And Sanmitra, I just kudos to you. It's our connection. One thing you tell us in our webinars also, this is something super special about you, and please keep on doing it, is keep connecting to the people even if they do not buy, because you could sense that I needed it and you could sense that I could do it. So I needed it, sense was fine. I could do it. How could you make out? I really do not know. And today, Sanmitra, my whole community, I send you a picture the day I conducted live, because again, necessity is mother of invention. There was this photo shooter who could not come and who could not put a live for Bhagavad Katha. So it was me who could set that live, because you gave us the confidence of setting our own channels, optimizing it, banners, and then it was the confidence how to go live, because you made us categorically in mission, and that was the elimination thing that you have to go live. You
Yes.
remember that? And because of that, I could do live. Today, the reach of live is more than 1 lakh people. Can you beat
Awesome.
it? Just in 3 months of completing Change-a-thon. And my whole family laughs and says, pahad ke niche aaya. It's Sangamitra who made you do so much of work. But more than them, Sangamitra, it has given me that sense of immense freedom. Even after paying lakhs, and every month after month paying 25,000-30,000 to my virtual assistant team, I was not able to achieve these results. And at the backdrop of mind, it was like I was on crutches. Some days they do not come. There must be people in webinar, there would be 100 people, and then I'm not able to run the slideshow, all
Yeah,
those things.
right.
Today, be it Vancouver, wherever, anywhere, it's because of you. You have made me, risen like self-stood.
Thank you so much, Sunita. And just to know, what results were you actually looking for your business that you really outsourced, and how DCA helped you to achieve those results, those same results, or maybe better than that, by doing it yourself?
This has really changed. If I call it a business game, it has really changed it 180 degrees. And if I call it my mission, my intent, my purpose of life, I would say 360 degrees, it's spiraling up every moment, every day. One thing, I wanted to go one too many. You know, there's so many, 50% of the life solutions are generic for everyone. So there's no point, every time you're speaking and going about the same thing. I needed a recorder for that. You made me video confident.
Yes.
I could never ever imagine that I would go on video that regularly and I would, publish them. So now I am not only the reels or small videos or the therapies or yoga asanas or the emotional freedom techniques, I am doing recorded courses. And it's like, as I feel while writing a book, you're leaving a legacy. Because after years of experience of pain and suffering and the solution, I could arrive at a formula, know your DNA, where people go to, rigorous meditation to achieve that. So I'm being able to act like a mirror and read their faces and aura online.
Wow.
I could never ever imagine I could do it online because I always used to feel this is energy exchange.
And what led to this evolution? If I just have to ask you, now face reading is something which people really want to connect of one to one. But then you took this whole game from offline to the online space. What really pushed you that I have to take my entire community online?
See, when your people are in pain, you start looking for solutions. That exactly as a mentor you also do. And from your journey, you see what is there. And if you do not find answer from your journey, you research it. So I was researching what is that, in spite of having so much of abundance in life, in spite of having so much of finance, why their happiness in the family is not reinstated. So this pull, this push, again, I would say it's the divine purpose when you really want to heal people. So I researched, I did NLP, emotional freedom technique and everything. And I realized from the scriptures knowledge that there is so much in scriptures which science cannot explain, but there is nothing in science. For example, NLP came in world in just 150 years back, but in our scriptures, it is in Durga Saptashati since more than 1600 years back. Corona again came to rescue. It gave me time. And I utilized all those modalities on myself, on my patients who were going through relationship issues. And I did the soul contract for them and they could make out. It was just now I wanted to go digital so that they do not have to come to me physically for my counseling session or for my diagnostic session.
Wow.
So 24/7, you made me available for multitude of people in a single go.
Thank you so much to even think of that. Yes, I need to take it digital. Sundar, tell me one thing. The day you thought that yes, I now have to go to people and meet them and heal them online, what were the internal and the eternal blocks that were coming to you? Nobody created it. Maybe you felt that I am going through all of this. So if you could just tell me, what was the language, what was the lingo you spoke to yourself during that time?
See, one language is, it's a divine blessing I always have. आज ये हो रहा है, कल ऐसे नहीं होगा.
Okay.
So whenever somebody told me that it is not doable, या ये नहीं करना है, या घर परिवार की ये चीज नहीं है, या we are not a family, video confidence, one thing especially I have seen, even other people also, everyone has this thing ki, should we go viral? Should people be watching us? Should we be genuine? But one genuine video changed my entire game. You already know it the day I said, because it's not what people actually want to relate to life. And my block was one thing, that my family should not feel hurt. One is because I say कि लोगों ने सपनों के लिए अपनों को छोड़ा और अपनों के लिए सपनों को छोड़ा. But at hardcore, I am a family person first. And I really feel so happy you also teach us that, the business is a triangle. You being there, your family being there, and the business being there.
Yes.
So the block was there that they should not feel hurt. So, but the way you taught us, see, this is one of the options. You can go face or you can go faceless. So my internal thing was that the solution must reach people. So your thingy of giving us the options and how to go about it, and my thingy that the content should reach people. This two is like two to tango and divine alignment that made it.
Very nice. Thank you so much. And Sunita, tell me one thing. The apne or sapne, ये दोनों का आपने ये मिश्रण एंड ये बैलेंस कैसे क्रिएट किया? बिकॉज बहुत लोग इसी पे स्ट्रगल कर जाते हैं कि सपने और अपने दोनों को लेके कैसे चलें।
It is a difficult path. इसलिए because present day world one problem is generic. Everyone want fast result. But we all know everything is a process. If you have reached here is a process. I have reached here is a process. We are going ahead is a process. But I had this patience and I had this divine faith. So one formula that works for everyone is inspired aligned action. If your inspiration is coming from faith, so that faith is gonna take you. I had faith in you and surrendered to you. And I learned everything you were teaching and every golden nugget you gave. When I implemented it, it gave me miraculous results. So I kept on moving. Keep on taking actions and never ever leave your dreams. Take along. One day will come, your family will understand because your inner spark is not mistake.
And when you say inspired actions, inspired aligned actions, इसका exact मतलब क्या है? What do you want to tell this to the audience?
संगमित्रा, इसका मीनिंग आपसे ज्यादा कोई और बेहतर नहीं समझ सकता because you are living that meaning. And I'll tell you how, and you have to allow me that. You are my guru in digital world, but in life, maybe you are like a younger sister to me also. And I have a lot of sisters. Ambitious, you remember I always talk, Sanmitra, I really feel so good to see you, such an ambitious, because my work goes around helping ambitious people to live a life of holistic abundance. It's like you keep on scaling up in your work, in your business without losing love, harmony, and peace in family. And you are, busy fit. You are super busy, but busy fit. You remember that,
Yes.
and you love the idea so much.
I really loved it.
Because grahaston ko, you go logically or you go spiritually. गृहस्थी आई आपको एक महासंग्राम की तरह से है. Life is an institute where exam comes before learning. But if your God is with you, you are aligned with Almighty. God will give you that paper and pen also to write it. When we say inspired aligned action, it's the triangle of abundant life in universe, and it's a formula that is applicable to entire universe. How? It's like health is eat, sleep, and exercise. Eat and sleep everyone does because you cannot survive without it. So it is a baseline. But if we exercise, it goes up. Similarly, action we have to take. कर्मा हमारी भगवत गीता से ज्यादा कौन ही आपको बताएगा, ठीक है? So action we take, but वो action किस direction में हम ले रहे हैं? And is it timed right? Because justice delayed is justice denied. So action we know. Alignment is with alignment with time. We think it's alignment with purpose. Alignment with purpose comes at inspiration. So there is a vessel in human body. It can either carry fear or it can carry faith. Once people say, oh, I have a full faith, and then they self-doubt themselves. That means they are fearing something.
तो आप DCA community के आने के बाद ऐसे क्या actions you took that really took you to the 10 lakh journey now?
Sanmitra, this figure, of course, it is sacred. But this figure earning digitally, all by myself, you have a big team now. But I learned from the first webinar of yours that you have to be self-dependent first. So that removes fear, and my inspiration becomes what? Faith and surrender to my mentor. So the first action I took was, instead of building on the studio, I started building on myself digitally. I said studio, walls, decor is not all that important. I need to learn how to do a Zoom session myself without any virtual assistance. And wherever I felt stuck, I used to message you, and the team used to help me out, your team. And one by one, Zoom made a lot of difference in my life, because now I could interact from one to many and I could record those courses. Second, video confidence. I was not very confident in doing webinars, but that video confidence thingy helped me out with webinars also. Because you gave me that confidence, whatever way you speak naturally is much more. And we are a healing heart, and healing heart is all about being authenticity. And you always, sort of praised me for being authentic. This gave me that confidence. So your video confidence challenge was not just video, it was a life confidence challenge for me. And third thing, data management, which was, it's a every business person, I would say, must learn those missions you have in Change-a-thon. It is a true, change-a-thon, and it keeps you on speed. And one very big thing that gave me ample confidence was, you told us you have to learn them. My virtual assistants used to tell me, ma'am, ये हम करके submit कर देते हैं, you'll be a change maker. You remember? I did it in 3
Yes.
times.
Yes.
3 times.
And वो
But-
feeling क्या था सुनीता गुप्ता, when Change-a-thon 1 नहीं हुआ, 2 नहीं हुआ, 3 नहीं हुआ, but you cracked it in the third attempt.
One, I was sure I will not crack it. I said, ये मैम लगी हुई है मेरे पीछे. I really revere her, but I know I am not gonna do it. So when people were, getting awards from you, so there was something. I saw 2-3 people whom I used to feel myself in the same shoe. They were also tech. I would say, I used to call myself tech illiterate. So now I'm tech savvy. Now I'm love of tech. It's like
Yes.
a maths का question जब आपसे नहीं होता तो आप डरने लग जाते हो.
Right.
So, but I saw them and 2 of them I could really relate to. I said, ये कर सकते तो मैं भी कर लूंगी. तो मैंने second Change-a-thon में I was all ready. I told you I'm
Yes.
gonna do it. So, Mama got sick. Again, family comes first. And I said, divine की मर्जी नहीं है, but I was sure. My Google Docs and everything was done. Submission was just ready. So I said, मैं third में कर लूंगी. And third में संगमित्रा, it's your thing of leveling up. एक और सिर के ऊपर ओला होता है ना कि आप जरा सा गंजे हुए और ओले गिर गए. You said video confidence challenge, 21-day elimination round. Something I was not doing for a year because of this your strategy, Sangmitra. And I tell you, my first diamond client came from that video only, which
So-
because of your supreme order now, I would call it, I had to load it and I forgot to remove it.
Super awesome. That is a real evolution. And if you just have to give one message to people, especially from the space of healing or face reading and your space of community, what would be that message that you really want to give them? कि क्या power अपने में लाएं ताकि anybody can go digital and be successful like you?
Thank you, Sangmitra, for saying so. Because this message, via you, via me, via all the ambitious people and who have made it, who could make it, should reach masses. Because this ambition is not mistake. If there is an inner calling, there is a spark, just don't seek outer validation. Don't fight also, because ambition is a baby of single parent. Family might not understand it because they cannot. Second, everyone has a different ambition to them. So all you need to do is, at times when you feel low and doubt, you seek. I pray and I seek my question on Google or whomsoever I know could answer. And I found one mentor, then you eventually, with whom I could align myself regarding code of honor. And then I surrendered to the process and took action. So first thing, you should not ever doubt on the ambition and the inner calling that you are having. You must pursue it. And at the same time, you should not devastate your energy in thinking that family is not helping you. I need support. If you are right, if your purpose is right, God will send some messenger. And don't enter into how I do it. Find whom to get it done. Then automatically seek support and you will get it. जब आप शिद्दत से कुछ चाहते हो तो पूरी कायनात उसको कंस्पायर करने में लग जाती है. तो अपनी एस्पिरेशंस को just nurture like a baby.
So
पकड़े रहना, छोड़ना नहीं.
Super.
Because Almighty is here to help you.
Really super awesome. And I truly wanted this support wala thing from you to go to the entire world, because यही truth है.